Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious caramelized catfish dish called caca. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make this. You'll need about 2 pounds of catfish or about 5 pieces of catfish steak, 1 whole shallot to be diced or 1/4 of a white onion, 4 cloves of garlic also diced, 1 red Thai chili pepper, 3½ tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and 1 teaspoon of MSG, which is optional. The first step is to clean the fish. The first thing you want to do is pour some hot water over the fish and let it soak for a few minutes. Then scrape the catfish skin to get rid of the dirty parts. It is important to leave the skin on the fish while cooking because it adds flavor and keeps the fillet intact and juicy. Step 2, which is optional, is to make the color dye. Traditionally, this dish is served in a darker color to look more appetizing. To do this, all you'll need is about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a pan on high heat. Stir it around until the sugar completely dissolves. Then take it off the heat right before it starts to reach a smoky point. This is how it turns out. On to step 3, which is to marinate the fish. In a clay pot or a regular pot, add in the 3½ tablespoons of fish sauce, the 4 tablespoons of sugar, the 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, the 1 teaspoon of MSG, the 1 teaspoon of black pepper, all of the diced shallot, all of the diced garlic, the Thai chili pepper, and lastly the food dye, which we made in step 2. Stir it around so everything comes together. Then add in the catfish steaks. You'll want to move it around so that it's all covered in the delicious marinade. Then let it sit for at least 30 minutes before cooking. Once the time is up, step 4 is to caramelize the fish. On high heat, cook the fish. Move it around so the bottom pieces don't get burnt. Then add in 1 cup of water. This helps create a tasty stew and helps to cook the fish evenly. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes. While you wait, you'll want to remove the scum off the surface of the stew. At this point, the fish is fully cooked. You can add scallions for the extra flavoring and appeal. And there you have it. Now you know how to make traditional Vietnamese caramelized catfish in a clay pot, or caca. This is one of the main staples in Vietnamese cuisine, and I'm happy to share it with you all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Now it's your turn to get cooking.